डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू गुरुवर्या अकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस सेशन में हमारे सेकेंड यूनिट में से फोर्थ चैप्टर द फॉल ऑफ ट्रायल्स का पार्ट 1 का वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट, रीड द पैसेज एंड नेम द फॉलोइंग। Here we have given some things and we have to name them. First, he composed the Iliad and Odyssey. Homer, he persuaded Helen to elope with him. Paris, a prince of Troy. She was the wife of King Menelaus. Helen, he led the defense of Troy for 9 years. Hector, he was killed by a poisonous arrow that entered his heel. Achilles. Question second. Find antonyms of the following from the passage. First, barren, fertile, offended, defended, cowardly, bravely, peace, war, surrender, flight, exposed, cover, defenseless, well protected. Afterwards, third question. From other sources, find synonyms of the following words used in the story. First, great hero, brave, beautiful woman, pretty, fight, war, defend, rich city, prosperous, safe, well protected, strong city, well guarded, brave, strong. Here we have completed third question. Now we will be moved towards the fourth question. Question 4. Correct the following sentences using facts from the passage. Troy traded cattle and grass with other cities. Troy traded in goods and grain with other cities. Next, during war, Trojans jump over the fort gates to go fight the enemy. Answer, during the war, the Trojans closed the gates and then the city was like the strong fortress quite safe from the attacks. Third, Helen eloped with Menelaus. Helen eloped with Paris, a prince of Troy. Next is the Troy was attacked because it was a strong rich city. Answer, Troy was attacked to take revenge for the wrong done to Menelaus. Next one, the Greek armies and heroes always defeated the Trojans. The Greek armies and heroes could never defeat the Trojans. Next, both the enemies were eager to continue fighting. Both enemies were eager to end their fighting. Next sentence. The great heroes avoided one another. The great heroes tried to kill one another. Last one. Achilles was killed by an arrow that pierced his heart, and Achilles was killed by poison arrow that entered his heel. Here we have completed the fourth question. Now we will be moved towards the fifth question. Question fifth. State the counter action for the following action. Action, Helen eloped with Paris. Counter action, all the kings and heroes of Greece declared war against the Trojans. Second, the Greeks sailed to Troy and attacked it. Trojans too fought hard and the siege continued for 10 long years. There was killed by Achilles. Achilles was killed later by poison arrow that entered his heel. Next, the siege continued for 10 years, though both the Trojans and Greeks were fed up, the fighting went on. Here we have completed the fifth question. Now towards the sixth one. From either of our two Indian epics, find out which battle or war lasted the longest. Write down about its cause, the enemy armies, its hero, its duration, and final outcome. Ramayana and Mahabharata are the two epics. We will see about them. Cause of Ramayana. In Ramayana, there was a war between Ram and Ravana as the latter had kidnapped Sita to take revenge for his sister Ravana's revenge in insult. Enemy armies, Ravana's army hero Rama was the hero of Ramayana. Duration 13 days. Final outcome, Rama finally defeated Ravana with the help of his brother and Hanuman. Next, Mahabharata. Mahabharata was the battle fought between the Pandavas and the Kauravas for their kingdom Hastinapur. Next, Duryodhan's army. Heroes. The Pandavas were heroes of Mahabharata. 18 days duration. Duryodhan was finally defeated by Pandavas. Next, question number 7. Complete the following sentence with reference to the passage. First, epics are long poems that relate to the needs of a great national hero or a great national war. Second, they may be composed and sung or recited for many years before they are actually written down. Third, nobody knows for certain who author of this epic is. Afterwards, fourth one, it is believed that the Iliad and the Odyssey were composed and recited by a blind poet named who lived about 900 BCE and who wandered from one Greek city to or village to another, singing his poems to all would receive him in their homes. Next one, at the back rose the high peak of Mountain Ida, from which flowed many rivers and streams. Next, underline the clauses in the above sentences, also the words that link or connect the clauses. First, epics are long poems that relate to the needs of great national hero or the great national war. Main clause, epics are long poems. Subordinate clause, the relate and deeds of great national war, subordinating conjunction that. Next one, they may be composed and sung or recite for many years before they are actually written down. Main clause, they may be composed and sung or recite for many years. Subordinate clause, before they were written. Subordinating conjunction before. Next one, nobody knows for certain who the author of this epic is. Main clause, knows for certain. Subordinate clause, who the author of this early epic is, and subordinating conjunction who. Next is, it is believed that the Iliad and the Odyssey were composed and recited by a blind poet and named who lived about 900 BCE and who wandered from one Greek city or village to another, singing his poems to all who would receive him in their homes. Answer main clause, it is believed. Subordinate clause, that the Iliad and the Odyssey were composed and recited by a blind poet named Homer. Subordinating conjunction, that. Subordinating clause, who lived about 900 BC. Subordinating conjunction who. Subordinate clause, who wandered from one Greek city or village to another, singing his poems to all. Subordinating conjunction who. Subordinating clause, who would receive him in their homes and give him hospitality. Subordinating conjunction. At the back rose the high peak of Mount Ida, from which flowed many rivers and streams. Main clause, at the back, high peak of mountain Ida, subordinate clause, which flow many rivers and streams, subordinating junction from. Here we have completed the वर्कशॉप ऑफ द गिवन चैप्टर। आई होप आपको ये वर्कशॉप समझ होगा। अगर आपको इस वर्कशॉप में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, डाउट हो, तो कमेंट कीजिए। इसी तरह से इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन पे प्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए, ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर आप मैसेज कीजिए, ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय मदद करे। इस एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो हमारी टीम आपको मदद करे। इस एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी जाके आप ये एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं। हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है, जिसके भीतर आप आपके डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आप आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं। आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।